video advertising tips and tricks. Hey there everyone! Because we know that you want to have the advantage and to save time from the get-go, here's a list of proven video advertising tips and tricks that you can apply today. Go for standard length on each platform. The majority of marketers will produce a single version of their video ads for all platforms, but our advice for you is to create variations at different length according to each specific platform. You see, people assume that video ads should last between 20 seconds to 90 seconds, but people react differently to video ads on different platforms. For example, the average length of video ads in Facebook is 55 seconds, but users in the platform are less likely to scroll past video ads that are 18 seconds long, and are much more likely to engage with it as well. So, with that in mind, make an effort to keep your video ad at the following lengths: 20 seconds on social media, under 10 seconds on the display network, and in between 6 seconds or 20 to 35 seconds on YouTube. Create a hook. The best way to avoid ad skipping is by devising a hook for the first 5 to 10 seconds of your video ads. This is because 10 seconds is the average attention span of internet users, after which they are likely to skip on a video ad if they're not hooked. Setting up a hook for the first seconds of your video ad is as simple as offering an immediate reward or element of surprise to hook your viewers, such as teasing a promotion to those that watch the ad until the end, or by addressing your audience's needs right away. Split test your video ads. Now, the best way to know how to optimize your video ads into perfection is by split testing them. Split testing is testing your video ads by splitting them into 2 or more variations, each one differing in visual presentation, target placements, and length. Target each variation at the same time to identically sized segments of the same audience to evaluate which one performs better. Then you can either stick with the one that performed better or repurpose the elements which your target segments reacted the best into a final version of your video ad. Focus on indirect pitches, not sales. Focus your advertising message on telling a story about your product and offers, as well as on the benefits offered by your brand or business. Video ads that focus on value and relevance rather than on making a direct sale tend to perform better and to hit more targets. Make a list of 5 or more benefits that your product, offer, or service will provide to your customers, and then highlight them on your video ads. More so, focus your video ads on telling stories about people using your products or services. Create multi-screen variations of your video ads. Most people on mobile are annoyed by having to switch from a vertical to a horizontal screen when a video comes up, and for them, it is easier to simply skip a video if they know beforehand that they will be forced to do so. That is why you should always create a vertical hold version of your video ad that you can use to target your mobile targets. And that is just one example, as you have to consider the variety of devices and screens that you want your video ads to appear on. Now, you have to not only consider the size of your videos, but also how video assets such as your brand's logo will adapt to different screens. And a very good way to forecast where your video ads will be served the most is by knowing your target audience. That's right. You will know what devices besides desktop to target by knowing your target audience first. For example, targets aged 35 to 54 spend more time on tablets than their younger counterparts, who spend most of their time on their smartphones. So what type of screens you will be serving your video ads on will largely depend on which age bracket you will be targeting as well. Be interactive. One of the smartest, simplest ways to generate conversions besides having an awesome video ad is to add interactive elements to your video ads. A simple call to action or a website link will do the trick most of the time, but you have to be careful to add the right call to action message to let your potential customers know what action to take after watching your video ads.